you are going to set up your warp strings. So you're going to need these long strings that go across your loom with little tassels on the back that you could then weave in between. This is called the weft. This is called the warp. To start off, sticking them through the tabs, you'll need to measure long enough string. I suggest 2 arms lengths. So you just drag the string up to measure your arm twice, and then you cut it. This way, the loom has just the right length warp strings, and your actual skein of yarn, this long thing of yarn, doesn't get tangled. So I will now stick an end through the tab at the top on my loom. That's this cardboard piece. Goes through the end at the bottom. Some looms are cardboard, some looms are really big machines that help with creating the whole weaving project. In class, we'll just use these little cardboard ones. You can actually make this at home. You can just cut some tabs at the top and bottom that are evenly spaced. I'll come back and get some more yarn. 2 arm lengths, 1, 2. Snip and stick it through the top. So you have a good finger length or 2 fingers lengths going down through the bottom. Some people will wrap their warp strings in front and back to create pouches. We don't have enough time for that at the end of the school year, so you'll have these tabs instead. But if you're doing this where you have a long span of time, you could fill up your whole loom with warp strings and have really big projects. You could still also, when you're done with this size, you could still sew the sides up and still have a tiny pouch. It'd be more like a little coin pouch then. Or you could use this to make it as a bracelet, or just a fun piece of fabric that you have then used in like a mixed media project. Lots of things you could do with a weaving project. Alright, so you continue that across the top here, and then you'll be able to start weaving.